Hey guys, today we are working on a 2016 Huracan Spyder. Dang, it's a tiny little T.
Let's do that, see if it works.
10 will work, yeah. We took Dave's Ferrari apart. Jesus Christ, these screws are long. Right, those are off. Now, we get this guy off. All right. And that's a T20. Okay, oh, there's more over here. Crud. And it's the T9. It's not a T. It's not a T. I can get to these though. So. We're talking.
The camera?
We're
No,
talking.
Teaching people off.
Oh, okay, I see. This whole, I thought this looked like a separate piece. It's not. It's one. Oh, it is a separate piece, but it's not like.
Interesting.
Yeah. And.
Get the other side off. Yeah. They come off like this, John. See, it's loose already. There must be like a plastic clip or something.
Original?
Yeah, it's the original steering wheel. Okay.
These are kind of thin too. But you know what I'm saying? If you put it like that and torque them both.
What are we twerking from the back?
Oh, I see what you're saying. Hold on.
Okay.
There we go.
I don't know. I've never done one, so I couldn't tell you. Oh, it's coming. This just got loose.
Can you put one in here or no? I can't see the back. Yeah, it can fit in here too. Like that.
It's all gonna come out one piece. Watch. Or we're gonna break something.
Right? That's right. It's probably more expensive than the steering wheel. You know what you need here? Hold on. There you go. Got the body panel.
Okay. Got the thing loose, but it's still not wanting to come out.
Oh, that's just part of the thing. Huh?
Yeah, it's the back part of it. It's okay.
I'm saying, don't these attach though when you come off? Does it come off with it?
These are off.
And I'm saying when that comes up, doesn't this come up with it? There you go. Just came out.
Yeah.
It just cleared.
But look how it cleared.
Yeah.
Be careful, the screws.
Yeah, I'm not touching anything. I'm just holding it up.
Oh, I see what happened. I see, said the blind man.
Is that the same type of fitting?
Yeah, it's the same.
What? Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Can you get it from the front? Hold on.
it's just the same deal. Just gotta pry at the right spot and it'll come out. me a flashlight right here.
Where'd it go? Where'd you get the flashlight? Oh, there.
Yeah, see, look. Boom, boom. At the top. Boom, boom, boom. It pops out. It's just stuck in the plastic. That's all it is. See it?
Yep. Can't you put these in like that? No. And just twist it out. You know what I'm saying? If you flip it the other way, upside down, if you just twist it, it won't pull it right out.
You know what? Hold on, let's try it.
Hold on. You're on the side of it.
It's coming.
This is stuck. Ow! You know what too? It's this right here. This is a pressure fit in here. You're pulling out. This is had to pop out too. That's why it was so tight. Ta-da!
Well, ta-da, 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 my ass. We gotta fix that switch because this didn't want to come out. See this?
It's still stuck inside of it.
Yeah, I know. There's two of them in here. There's two, and there's one in there. So
There's one in here somewhere. I saw it fly.
there's the 3 springs. Okay, at least they fit in these holes. Okay.
Otherwise, the buttons will click, click.
Okay, so these are all like pressure fitted.
I'll put this back on the desk.
Yeah, hold on. Let's make sure we get everything right back into its spot. 2, 3 springs, right?
Yep, 3 buttons, 3 springs.
Make sure we get these 3 springs in the right holes. Okay. Okay.
Just a match.
Yeah.
Cool.
So it's these pressure fittings is what causes this whole damn thing to pretty much be a nightmare. So going back on this should be actually pretty dang easy.
I'll put this on your desk. But
I'll move that back note over there.
I'm going to. Okay.
Let's find out a spring before we continue.
What do you mean the spring?
Didn't you say the spring flew
No,
up?
no, no. I thought it did, but it didn't.
It was just a speck of dirt.
Yeah. Pretty much, just got to push these all into their home. Dave.
what's that?
Give a little bit of a.
Just stick it in the holes. That one. These two they're already in.
Alright.
Hold on. Get this one lined up though first. There we go. I think that one's lined up.
It's wet.
I don't think it's lined up. I think it. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
it's
in there.
lined up. Okay, we're good.
That's lined up. That's lined here. Hold this.
Yep. This needs to come this way, forward a little bit. There we go. That's it right there. Butter.
Oh, there it goes. I heard it snap.
Yep.
There it goes.
Right there, too.
The gray matches the carbon and the color of the car. And then this wire sits in here, right?
That's good.
Oh shit, the screw. This button came like apart. Oh shit, I see it right here. Oh, how'd that come back out?
Like a tab or something or no?
No, it's back here was not sitting.
Ah, I see. Yeah.
I mean, it was sitting on sideways on it, yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
All
okay.
good.
Now tighten everything back up. Here, put this back around it. So don't ruin the. The two big ones is set here. The T20s, I think, right? This is the part's gotta go in very carefully. This is harder than the bumper on the Ferrari. I don't want to crack it. It's plastic, you know what I mean?
Yep. Some bad sound.
What's next?
Covers.
The rear covers.
This is a 9.
9 fits better, but the 10 does work.
Really?
Yeah. It's good. Let go. Yeah, they ain't gonna go anywhere.
Do like 95%, you know what I'm saying?
Let's put the bottom ones in first and let the give pressure, you know what I mean?
Yep. Take some slack. Just make it snug.
There.
Is that
Yeah,
it? 4?
that's good.
Alright,
Okay.
let's flying. Let's see how accurate your eyeball is.
Yeah, no shit, huh?